Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to review the new Refugito Kids rucksacks from Patagonia. Okay, so there are two new rucksacks Patagonia brought out for autumn-winter 23. We've got this one, which is the 12-litre pack, and this, which is the 18-litre pack. We've done a video on an earlier version of these, and we had a few comments about wanting to know more information about what would actually physically fit inside them. So we're going to add a bit of that as we go along. But to start with, I'll just give you a quick rundown of the 12-litre pack. So it comes in a couple of colours. You've got this colour or this colour here, and you've got two mesh stuff pockets on the sides, which are ideal for water bottles, and then we've got a clip opening here. Now, one of the comments we had was, would my 4-year-old be able to handle the clip opening? It's a really good point. I would say yes. It's quite simple. You just really push in gently and it'll open up. Also, it's not pinchy at all, so I wouldn't be worried about my child sort of nipping themselves at all. So yeah, just really gently push in and it slides out the bottom. So I think probably just teaching them how to do it and they'll be fine with that. And then if I just turn it round, we've got nice padded shoulder pads and a padded back, so if they've got anything sharp they're carrying or pointy, it's not going to stick into them. And of course you've got a little chest strap here which stops it falling off their shoulders when they're running around. The other thing we had in the last video was these guys, and we didn't know what they were for, but someone suggested that actually to help you when you hold the backpack up for your kid to put it on, so perhaps that's what they're for. That might speed you up getting you out the house in the morning. So let's just have a look at what you can fit in one of these. So we've got this one here, which is the alternative colour, which is empty. So if I open it up for you, you'll see in there, you've just got a simple pocket there with a little internal pocket, which is Velcro opening on the side. There's no additional pocket in the lid, so it's all in the main body of the rucksack. And in terms of what you can fit in, we've got an A4 folder here. Now I would say this is the maximum amount you could get in. You wouldn't be able to get a very thick A4 folder in. It just about fits. If I fold that over there, you'll see that's sort of maximum height that this rucksack could cope with. So in terms of taking books in and out for sort of 4, 5-year-olds, 6-year-olds, I'd say this pack would be fine. You'd have plenty of room in there to put a packed lunchbox as well and that sort of thing. So it is really designed at younger kids, kind of preschool and just the first few years of school, maybe just taking in reading books more than folders. Okay, let's have a look now at the larger pack. So you've got two colour options here, and it's quite a different design. We'll look inside it in a minute, but let's just start on the outside. So you've got a zip opening closure right around the top there, and then you've got this grab handle at the top as well. Again, you've got two mesh side pockets, and then you've got these kind of compression straps across the front, which are kind of designed just for someone to put their coat in or something like that. Or if you're not carrying very much, you can crank it down and reduce the size. But I think primarily it's to carry wet coats and that sort of thing on the outside of the pack. If we turn it round again, you've got a nice bit of padding here, a bit more technical than the smaller pack. And you've got obviously a chest strap as well, and the straps here just to pull the rucksack forward when you've got it on. So nice pack. Now again, you want to know what you can realistically fit in one of these. So is that going to stay upright? I think so. Okay, so here we've got the other option, and like I said, there's a zip opening. And when we look inside, if I just flip it around, you'll see hopefully there's a sleeve here, which I think has been designed as a laptop sleeve. So I've just got my laptop here, so this is a 15-inch laptop, and that goes in really nicely. You can see it's just sitting out the top there, but it's nicely protected. Also, I've got this A4 folder again, that goes in no problems, and also on brand we've got the Patagonia workbook here. I've shoved that in, so you can see you can get quite a lot in, and you've still got room for a lunchbox and a few other bits as well. So this is definitely better for kind of older kids, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, up to that kind of age. Or you've also got on the back, on the inside, you've got a little security pocket which has a zip opening, so that's quite handy. The other thing I really like about this pack, particularly for schools, is it can be a bit of a sort of a ruck trying to get through the corridors when the the lessons change over. But with this one, you can just grab it from here, and it's really quite, you can see it's quite slimline, although it holds a lot of stuff. rather than putting it on your back, so you can just walk along with that sort of down at your knees rather than whacking people in the back with the rucksack. So really thought about this in terms of school design. So there we go. So the two new colour schemes you see here for autumn winter 23. Hope you found this video useful. Likewise, if we've forgotten anything again, please give us a nod in the comments and we'll get back to you. Oh, just one last thing. We've had a few adults try and buy these and they've come back with them. They are really too small. I'm 5'6", and if I just put this on, you'll see it does look a bit too small for me. So they really are aimed at children. Unless you're really quite short, I don't think you're going to get away with it as an adult pack. So many thanks.